Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our UCOM lecture, class 6, lesson number 15, conjunctions. Page number is 167 of your book. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words used to connect other words or group of words. You will highlight the definition. Conjunctions are the words used to connect other words or groups of words. For example, he teaches physics and mathematics. In this example, you can see here is word and. You will highlight it. This word and is being used to connect two sentences. He teaches physics, mathematics in this school. And is the word which is being used to connect these two parts of the sentence. In the second example, he is tired and wants to rest. He is tired and wants to rest. Here is word and, that is the conjunction which is being used to connect the group of words he is tired and want to rest. So conjunctions are those words which are used to connect the other words or groups of words together, as you have seen in the given examples. Next, there are the types of conjunctions. There are basically three types of conjunctions: coordinate conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. First of all, we will discuss subordinate conjunctions. The conjunctions which are of equal importance are called coordinate conjunctions. For example, here is written, the conjunction and is used to join two elements of equal importance in a sentence. So the conjunctions but and are coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to connect the sentences of equal importance or independent sentences. For example, he is intelligent but lazy. He felt tired but did not stop working. You can have this pen or that one, or you can must hurry up or you will be left behind. On the other page, you can see that there is another type of conjunctions which is called subordinate conjunctions, in which one sentence is independent and other is dependent. So the second type is also known as dependent or subordinate conjunctions. We will highlight the dependent or subordinate conjunctions. For example, the sentences given here are the most common subordinating conjunctions are because, if, since, when, where, although, as, if, unless, that, before, and after. These are the dependent or subordinate conjunctions. Then here is third type of conjunctions, third group of conjunctions, which are called correlatives, which are usually used in pairs. For example, both and, either, either and or, neither and nor, not only but also. These conjunctions are used in pair. That's why they are called correlative conjunctions. Then here is the exercise number 1. In this exercise, you have to pick out the conjunctions in each sentence and state whether it is a coordinating, subordinating, or correlative conjunctions. Number 1. The children play outside when it is fine. This is the assignment for you. You have to first highlight the conjunctions. For example, in this sentence, the children play outside when it is fine. When is the conjunction? You will highlight the conjunction with the highlighter and you will write whatever the type of the conjunction it is. For example, it is subordinate, and at the end of the sentence the space is given, you will here write the subordinate. In the second example, we had an early breakfast and sat out before it. And is the conjunction, you will highlight and with the highlighter, and this is coordinate conjunction, and we'll write coordinate at the end of the sentence. Sentence number C, if you wish you may join us. In this sentence, if is the conjunction, you will highlight if with the highlighter and we'll write subordinate. Sentence number D is either behave yourself or leave the room. Either and or, this pair is the conjunction, you will highlight the either and or, and this is correlative conjunction. The conjunctions which are used in pair are called correlative, either or, correlative conjunction. Sentence number E, we expected her but she did not turn up. But is the conjunction, you will highlight the but with highlighter and will write subordinate conjunction. They are not only proud but also selfish. Not only but also. Another conjunction is used in the form of pair, not only but also. So we will highlight not only and but also and will write correlative conjunction. Next sentence is although he has been warned, he does not care. Although is the conjunction, you will highlight the although conjunction and will write subordinate. Next is she was busy, so she did not help them. So is the conjunction, you will highlight so with the highlighter and this is subordinate conjunction. We have neither the time nor the money. Neither and nor. This conjunction is in the form of pair, neither nor. You will highlight both pair, neither and nor and will write correlative conjunction. Last sentence is since we must return early, let us leave now. Since is the conjunction, you will highlight it and write coordinate conjunction. So this exercise number 1 is the assignment. You have to highlight the conjunctions and have to write at the end of the sentence whether it is a subordinate, coordinate or correlative conjunction. Okay, thank you so much.